The MTN Mobile Application Challenge, which is the first of its kind in the country, celebrates local homegrown talent, the out-of-the-box thinkers that drive disruption and change. An amazing caliber of entrants started the journey. Today, the top 10 app developers will be put to the test, with the winner being crowned the 2017 inaugural MTN App Developer Champion.
So the MTN App Challenge is a first for Swaziland. Obviously, Swazi MTN is the biggest and the leading telecommunications and internet provider in the country, and would like to keep it that way.
The MTN Mobile Application Challenge is in line with the country's Vision 2022.
So our inspiration is basically that we really want to see Swaziland modernized in the ICT sector, in the telecommunications sector. Our belief is that technology or telecommunications or the ICT sector is really what will make us realize Vision 2022 as a country.
Developers were invited to come up with apps which would be useful in the areas of business, entertainment, lifestyle and sports.
So in August, we invited the public to come up with applications through proposals, and they brought a number of applications. Over 100 of them did bring their applications, and out of those we were able to screen to 50. And today we are happy that we're having our top 10 who made presentations on their applications were able to get the best app.
The MTN Mobile Application Challenge was about young people providing real-life solutions to societal problems through the development of their applications.
We had a few games. We had in sports, we had applications from business. We also have applications that speaks to Internet of Things. So the innovation that we've seen here is really amazing. We are glad that these applications are not only to be providing solutions to our customers, but also generating revenue for the app developers. Because worldwide we've seen young people as the app developers that were here turning to be billionaires overnight through just the development of applications. Most famous applications including but not limited to WhatsApp, Facebook, they've gone to be multi-billion applications in terms of value, and these applications were developed by young people.
The public and the ordinary person on the street and the consumers, our customers, will be using these applications, and it will transform their lives and create the necessary excitement in the market, and which is really what our mission is as Swazi MTN. Is to make our customers' lives a whole lot brighter and make sure that they continue to be excited in interacting with us, as well as conducting their own business in the marketplace.
What do the app developers think of the competition?
I think it is fantastic that MTN is opening up the industry of apps. I think it's something that a lot of people talk about, but they're not actually quite sure what the core idea behind it is. So MTN bringing in young people like myself and being able to give us some feedback on the business aspect of the apps as well is something that I find very, very good, and something that's very much needed. So there's a lot of lessons to be learned, and I definitely have learned a lot in this app challenge.
The Swazi MTN App Challenge is a unique opportunity for ICT-savvy youth to develop innovative applications that would be used to simplify life for Swazi MTN customers. Emoyeni was one such application.
Emoyeni allows you to use all these USSD codes, so star 686, star 1, star whatnot, all these things, without actually having to remember the numbers. So it's an app that provides a nice interface for it with buttons you can click, so you can send your data bundles and please call me's, all without having to type a single number at all.
The judges used a criteria that looked into innovation, user experience, technical coding and commercial viability, and also had a word of advice for the top 10 app developers.
The apps needs to make sure are addressing a certain market. So you need to know your addressable market. I'll make an example. I just checked the stats now. Apps on Apple iStore, we've got about 2 million. On Google, we've got about 2.2 million apps. And then if you look at the demographic trend who are the high users is 18 to 24-year-olds. So we need to make sure you understand who is your target market.
Realizing that the ICT sector is driving economic growth in the country, MTN Swaziland then availed this platform.
ICT is what is actually, when it comes to development of a country, is what is playing the lead in that. And we've got the talent in the country, and I am happy to see that we got so many entries this year. This is not the first time that it's not the last time that we'll be doing this. We want this to be a way of life. We want people to make a living off it.
And then came the moment of truth when the winners of the MTN App Challenge were announced.
Kikilikiki.com is a mobile app based on Android. Basically, it's an events app. So if you find yourself in a situation where you want to go out, but you don't know where to go, you just tune into the app, and it should be able to tell you what is happening locally within the country and outside the country as well. And it would also tell you exactly where the event is happening. So with this app, you are able to basically chat. So it's what we call an events chat. So you're able to chat, and you're able to upload pictures. You are also able to buy tickets for access into the event.
Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, see you in the 2018 Swazi MTN App Challenge.